Assalamualaikum students. Today we are going to do some question answers related to our chapter A Journey Deep into Amazon Jungle, a comprehension taken from your book Cranford Language Toolkit. So the instructions are you have to copy down all these question answers in your English literature copy, and it should be neat and tidy, and don't forget to make a title page. Now this question is state 2 reasons which prevented the team from moving faster than they were doing. So the 2 reasons were Lord John was acting as a scout and would not let others advance. Why he was not letting others advance? Because he was responsible of his team members and he don't want to his team members to have got any harm in advance. That's why he was searching for any harm and for any problem. That's why he was looking ahead and not letting them to advance before him. And the second one was at every second step either one or the other of the 2 professors would stop wondering at the new types of flowers and insects they discovered, of course because they were quite excited to see the prehistoric animals and the flowers and the species, rare species. That's why they took time and they used to stop and wonder and note down some findings. That's why they were moving so slowly. Now the next question is, how many explorers were there? Of course there were 3 explorers. Now come to the next question is, from this paragraph write out the phrase containing 3 consecutive words that means the same as they were large rocks scattered about. तो कौन सा word है इसमें? Tangle of rocks. Second question is, Lord John made his way, stooping and running to the rocks. Explain why he moved like this. Why? Because there were too many huge sort of stones in the way. That's why, and therefore the answer is he was moving like this because the whole plateau was filled with boulders. Question number 6 is, finally he waved to us to come on. Explain in your own words why the Lord John did not beckon them on immediately. The answer is Lord John did not beckon them or point out towards them or signal them on immediately because it seemed as if he had seen something dangerous and wanted others to be careful of what lay ahead. So he was being so precautious and being so careful. That's why he did not beckon them so immediately. So from paragraph 2 we have got the question, the explorers were gazing into the pit. What according to the author could have accounted for the existence of the pit? Pit कैसा था? That the dungeon. The pit might have been one of the smaller volcanic blowholes of the plateau in the early days. What do we learn from the passage about the size of the pit? The pit was big enough to hold hundreds of pterodactyls. Number 9, list any 2 similarities between pterodactyls and ordinary birds. The pterodactyls ate flying insects and lived in colonies. So ये उनकी similarity थी. Now come to the question number 10. The male pterodactyls were keeping watch from the evidence in the paragraph. Explain in your own words 2 ways in which they did so. The answer is they were sitting motionless save for the vigilant movement of their eyes, and their ferocious heads were protruding above them to keep an eye on their surroundings. So they were quite vigilant, they were male and they were looking for the troubles and they were quite brave. From paragraph 3, what particular discovery about the pterodactyls died cleared up the point about their fossilized remains? The answer is the cleanly packed bones of fish and birds. Paragraph number 4 is paragraph 4. Why did Professor Challenger thrust his head over the rock? Because he was intent on proving some point to his challenger, Professor Lee. Now from paragraph 7. Why did the pterodactyls now look no bigger than wood pigeons? The pterodactyls now look no bigger than wood pigeons because they were flying above farther and farther away from them. They were quite far away from them. Now the next question is, we have to choose similar words, that is synonyms from your paragraphs. Constant is never ending. Save for का next क्या है? Except for. paragraph 2 से इस segment को हम देखेंगे तो उसकी जैसे word है dead. Taken up, obsessed. Fringed, bordered. Zeal has got a similar word, eagerness, and hideous means ugly. So these were the words taken up from your paragraph. Thank you so much.